Okay, thank you, Sugar. And next is, wait, please. Okay, next is Taishi.
Sugar, sit down.
Okay, close it. Close. Properly. There you go. Thank you, Taishi. Now who wants to try next? Kotaro, say I.
Koshi.
Okay,
Koshi can.
Can you try?
Koshi says don't touch it.
Okay, Koshi can try.
Say don't touch it.
Koshi, can you try closing the jar? Thank you, Kotaro.
Kotaro, sit down,
You
please.
did.
Taishi, sit down,
Can you
please.
try closing it? Try. Close it. Yay!
Very good.
Taishi, he did it. He closed the jar. Okay, girls. Kurumi, can you close this for me?
Okay.
Can you close this properly for me?
Very good, very good.
Oh,
Very
good
good,
job,
very
Kurumi.
good.
Very good. Thank you. Okay, so
Koshi, sit down.
let's look at the jars. Which jar has more water? Which jar has more water? And which jar has a little water inside? Which one?